Say goodbye to daily scooping. Meet PETKIT PuraX, the poop scooping MVP. This isn't just a litter box. It's a lifestyle upgrade for cat parents. With automatic cleaning cycles, you'll only need to empty the waste compartment every 2 to 8 weeks, depending on usage. That's 30 extra minutes of your life not spent scooping clumps. Sanity restored. Equipped with 12 intelligent sensors, PuraX prioritizes your cat's safety. From infrared to weight sensors, it knows when your kitty is inside, nearby, or thinking about hopping in. It's like something straight out of Mission Impossible, only cuter. The PETKIT app lets you track your cat's potty habits in real time. Notice behavioral changes before they become health problems. Because yes, your cat does deserve a personal health tracker. Say goodbye to that litter box funk. The odor removal system neutralizes smells and even tackles formaldehyde, leaving your home fresh. It's like Febreze met a robot. Compatible with all clumping litters, the PuraX adjusts to your feline's favorite brand. It's ideal for cats 3 to 18 lows, with a minimum age of 6 months for safe use. Thanks to its compact, sleek design, it fits easily into small apartments, bathrooms, or corners. With a 60 L waste container, it's ready to handle up to 15 days of scooping freedom. Control the entire setup remotely with the PETKIT app. Yes, you can check your cat's bathroom habits from the office or a beach vacation. Backed by a 12-month warranty and US-based customer support, PETKIT PuraX is more than a smart gadget. It's a stress-free lifestyle for modern cat lovers. PETKIT PuraX, because your cat's bathroom should be as smart as the rest of your home.